Hi everyone, welcome back to my channel and welcome to today's video. So in today's video I'm going to do a makeup look using some products that I have just taken out and kept in this basket. It's a shop my stash kind of a look, so I have not even decided what I'm going to do. So let's see. Without wasting any further time, let's get started with the video. So I'm not going with a primer today. I'm not feeling like to use a primer today. So I'm going directly with a foundation, and for foundation I'm using K by Katrina Hydrating Foundation in the shade 170 White Tan. It's a nice match for me. I will be taking this on the back of my hand and just spreading it on my face. At first this foundation looks a tad bit darker, but once you blend it properly, then it's okay. The shade matches with my neck properly, so I prefer this shade only. And I will be using the brush by Real Techniques. This brush is I think 7 years old, and I don't remember that if it is Real Techniques, because I got this brush from Flipkart, I guess. So coming to this foundation has a very nice dewy finish, but it can be overly dewy for the people with slightly oilier skin type. My skin type is combination, but I think that it can be a great foundation in the winter season. In the summer season I don't like it that much because sometimes it becomes overly dewy, which I don't like that much. So this is how the finish looks like of the foundation. The finish is pretty nice, but it is a tad bit more dewier. So foundation is nicely blended. After that I'll be using a setting spray, and today I will be using the setting spray by Wet n Wild. It's their natural finish setting spray. I have not tried it that much, so I don't know how it works. I forgot. So after setting spray I will be doing my eyebrows, and for eyebrows I will be using brow cream by the brand called PAC Cosmetics. This is the brow cream, and I'm in the shade Walnut Wax. It has a very beautiful formula. First it feels creamy, and afterwards it settles down to a complete matte finish. So I think you are going to enjoy it a lot. I also have the brow pomade by Anastasia Beverly Hills. I don't like that brow pomade. I like this one more. So yes, I prefer the PAC Cosmetics one over that Anastasia Beverly Hills one. So I don't recommend that ABH ka brow pomade. Carving out the shape of my brows like so. And after that I will be just combing the hair to get a proper shape of my eyebrows. You can clearly see the difference between the two eyebrows. I'm not very perfect in doing eyebrows. I'm also learning, but I really enjoy this process of doing my eyebrows with the help of a brow pomade. I'll do the same on my other eyebrows also. So for my eyeshadow I will be using this ABH ka Subculture palette, and it has wonderful shades. It has most of the matte shades, and I think it has only 3 shimmer, and shimmer are also very wonderful. So it's one of my favorite palettes. So what I'm going to do today, I think I'm going to use this white shade today. Let's see how it works. Okay, so first of all, I will be taking this shade called Roxy, and I'll apply it all over my eyelid. It's a very nice flesh pink, flesh colored shade with pink tinge to it. I'm so bad in explaining the colors. So this is okay. So after that, I will be using this shade called Cube. First of all, let me swatch this shade, because I think it is a duochrome shade. I may be wrong, but this shade has pink reflexes. Yes, this shade will look very nice, so I'll use this. Pink and green reflexes also. So yes, let me just use this with the help of my fingers only. And whoa, this shade is so beautiful. It has pink reflexes. I know I have ruined this part, but it's all right. We will work. We'll make it work. So it has pink and slight green reflexes also. And now I will be blending. See how it looks like. This is how the eyeshadow looks like, and I'm going to do something unusual now. I think now I'm going to use this blue shade called Axis. And I'll put it on my lower lash line. Let's see how it works. This is how the eyeshadow looks like. Pink and green, no, pink and blue. Then I will be using the green shade called Electric on the inner corner. It's actually looking nice, not that bad. Essence Get Big Lashes Volume Boost Waterproof Mascara, and let me tell you that it's one of the best mascara among all the mascaras I have used so far till now. I prefer this mascara over the L'Oreal Lash Paradise mascara. It is so nice. Considering the amount you are paying, it's wonderful. It's wonderful mascara. I will surely repurchase this. This Too Faced Love Flush Blush Palette. This is how it looks like, and I will be mixing all the shades. And let's see how the shade turns out. So blush is done. After that, I will be doing a bit of bronzing. So for bronzer, I will use this Makeup Revolution Mega Bronzer in the shade 02 Warm, and it's one of the best bronzer that I have ever used. I wasted my money. I wasted a lot of money in selecting a right shade of bronzer for me. Finally, I got this. Now for lips, I will be going with a very neutral brown shade, and it's by Miss Claire Cosmetics. It's their soft matte lip cream in the shade 63. So let's see how it looks with this eye makeup. And the green color is popping. So this is how the overall look has turned out. I really like it. It was an unexpected kind of look, especially the eye look. I always get confused what to do on my eyes, so I really like it. So I hope that you like this video, and if you do, then please subscribe to my channel. It would mean a lot to me, and I'll see you soon. Till then, bye.